Hi, I'm Natalie Quiltessa, and here is one of my bags. This is Ultimate Carry-All bag, now in brassica. I can open it for you. You can see here this ironing pad on the bottom. You can see multiple pockets here and here, more inside, zippered pocket, small here, mesh pocket here, and also the pocket on the back, like phone or anything pocket, and here it goes through. One person asked me why this was not sewn when she received my bag, but this is actually to put it on a roller cart. So it's pretty handy when you put it on the roller cart. You stuff it with everything you need, and here's your bag. You're ready to go. Retreat, traveling, classes, anywhere. So this is bag. If you can see, it has no binding by now. And this is the tip for today. I was going to show you how to make your binding easier. Look at this. This is a regular toilet paper roll, and I put my binding around it and put it over my neck. And when I start binding, it's really helpful. You put it here and it unrolls itself. Look at this. So I thought this tip will be helpful for you. Enjoy.